Nothing.
The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Pike County until 6:15 p.m. At 3:07 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Biggs, Feds Creek, Coleman, Mouthcard, Tunerville, Phelps, Phyllis, Jamboree, Board Tree, Paw Paw, Fishtrap Lake, Argo, Woodman and Marbone. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following county: Pike, Kentucky. Coleman, Mouthcard, Tunerville, Phelps, Phyllis, Jamboree, Board Tree, Paw Paw, Fishtrap Lake, Argo, Woodman and Marbone. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following county: Pike, Kentucky.
'08 to make